I come with students of biology and in this case of landscape architecture to show the beautiful landscapes and the habitats of interesting mammals and birds and interesting plants. The Caucasus is very famous for the endemic species. Humanity, that we need to know each other to communicate with each other because we have common problems of pollution, we have common problems of city development, of traffic and lifestyle. And if we want to survive on this planet, we have to do something and adapt. And all over the world, and therefore I think communication and exchange of young people is very important.